Welcome to Sounds of Success for July 1988. This month, we'll listen to some of the recent winners from the second annual Radio Best Awards. Our first commercial uses humor to drive home its copy point. Good food and airlines don't go together, so the client has a good topic to lampoon and introduce their alternative, breakfast tray.
Breakfast set?
No, thanks. I brought my own.
Sir, what is that?
It's a Mr. Donut breakfast tray. Neat, huh?
Does it fit under the seat in front of you?
Hey, look at that.
Sir, I'm not sure FAA
place for my
rules
coffee?
allow carry-on breakfast.
Place for your juice?
Wow.
Mr. Donut baked goodies?
Don't you like our breakfast set?
Not particularly.
Miss, can I have what he's having?
I'm sorry. Seat 19A has an unauthorized and possibly illegal
I'll
breakfast.
pay for it. I don't care.
That's the other thing. Mr. Donut always has breakfast tray specials. You
Ooh,
can
that
save
smells
money.
good. What is that?
Mr. Donut breakfast tray.
Neat, huh?
I'll take one of those.
No, you won't. You'll have an airline breakfast.
I like Mr. Donut.
Then fly Mr. Donut Airlines. Look, we can't have...
Yes,
anybody-
I'll have a Mr. Donut. I love Mr. Donut.
Your coffee, your juice, your baked goodies. Your Mr. Donut breakfast tray. A nice idea made nicer with breakfast tray specials. Every morning at Mr. Donut.
Recognizable music helps our next commercial right along without overpowering the commercial message. That call waiting from GTE works.
Man, has this ever happened to you? You're talking on the telephone, someone really important calls, and what do they hear? Busy, busy, busy.
You're never busy with call waiting from GT. Every call gets through like 1, 2, 3. Say you're talking to Mom, you get that call from Joan. You hear a little beep, and Joan is on the phone. Now you're talking to Joan, you get a call from Jane. You hear a little beep.
The possibilities are infinite.
You're never busy.
I do.
Thanks to the beep, beep, beep. You're never busy with call waiting from GTE.
Get GTE Call Waiting. Your phone won't be busy, and you'll never miss an important call again. Just call 1-800-782-5183.
Bud Light knows its consumer group. So the setup of this next commercial works because their target can relate to it. It makes the assumption that their target is young and probably has been to a concert within the last few months.
Burn toast, burn toast, burn toast.
Hey, Nigel, I'm the concert promoter. I'm sure glad you and the boys in Burnt Toast included us in your world tour.
Well, we're not going on, mate.
You're not going on.
Right.
But there's 50,000
You
people.
violated our contract.
Did not?
Did so.
Look, I got you the turquoise limo with the hot tub and satellite dish.
So?
I built you a bowling alley in your dressing room.
So?
I even had the bologna on your deli tray cut into little stars.
So? It's the beer.
Here, a case of light beer chilled in natural glacial ice.
The contract says Burnt Toast gets Bud Light.
Bud Light.
Bud Light.
Oh, fellas, light beer is light beer.
Bud Light's the light beer with the first name and taste.
Yeah, but how can you jump all over the stage and play if you're filled up?
Bud Light won't fill us up. Right, come on, Les. Let's go back and wreck the hotel.
Right. Wait, I'll make a call.
Ask for Bud Light, because everything else is just a light.
There, one case of Bud Light.
Let's boogie!
Now, knock 'em dead.
We'll start with the Brahms concerto.
Then into Vivaldi and Mozart. Where's my bassoon?
Anheuser-Busch, St. Louis, Missouri.
Giving animals human personalities is nothing new, but when the actions of the pet are so recognizable to the consumer, then you have a winning spot for Tuffy's Pet Food.
Tuffy's Dog Food presents the difference between people and dogs. How does a person react when they hear a car pull up?
Oh, Jim must be home.
Now, how does a dog react when it hears a car pull up?
I know that sound. That's a car. That's Jim's car. Jim's home. Oh, I gotta run up and see him now. Hi, Jim. Oh, boy, you're gonna feed me and scratch my ears. I know you don't like me to jump on you, Jim, but I can't help it. Let me lick you, Jim.
Yes, active dogs run and jump and play harder than people do. Tuffy's has always known that since dogs don't act like people, they shouldn't eat like people. For instance, people eat something different every day. But Tuffy's has found it helps a dog's digestion to eat the same food every day, as long as it provides complete and balanced nutrition, like Tuffy's dry dog food. So don't feed your dog like you'd feed a person. Feed him Tuffy's, made with the understanding that an active dog is something else.
Oh, no. Jim's heading for the car. Don't leave me, Jim. Here I come. I'm jumping in, Jim.
Oops, sorry, Jim.
Listening in on a conversation of reporters for the St. Paul Pioneer Dispatch conjures up that gritty, tough, real image of the newspaper world. If the reader wants hard news, he need look no further.
Joe Souchere and Pat Royce on the St. Paul Pioneer Press Dispatch.
The worst people to write a column for is an editor.
Editor should be smart enough to say, you're the columnist, don't get us sued, but other than that, have fun. Sometimes
I've learned one thing about editors. If you're really looking to write something off the wall, good time to write it is Sunday night.
Sometimes I like to sneak in there,
Sneak in
write
there on
that
a
hummer,
Sunday
and
night
sneak back out.
Then you leave them the Monday column, and all they can come in and do
And
is
wake up and
sputter.
their hair standing on end.
That's how you beat the system.
You know what no one's mentioned here today, fellas? The one crucial factor in this whole topic? We're still only a quarter.
Around here, you won't find another paper like ours, because nobody tells it like we do. Great columnists, great reporting, and for 2 bits, you ought to find out what we're talking about. Read the St. Paul Pioneer Press Dispatch. Nobody else brings you the news like this.
Take your money and run. That's the image of banks today. Inflexible and unresponsive to the needs of their customers. Well, if there was a bank sensitive to the customer's needs, you'd be interested, right?
I have a question for the banks of Michigan.
Yes?
Suppose I wanted to open a 1-year time deposit. Would you take my money?
Yes, certainly. Sign here.
Great. Now, would you let me add money to that time deposit?
Add money? No.
Never.
You'd have to open another account.
I'd take it. Who said that?
Yeah.
I did. Manufacturers Bank.
Introducing Saver's Choice Time Deposit from Manufacturers Bank. Not only does your initial deposit of $500 or more earn market rate interest, but you can add money at any time. And since the market rate changes monthly, there's no limit to how high your interest can go. But it'll always be higher than our regular savings account. The Saver's Choice Time Deposit, only from Manufacturers Bank.
So you're saying I can earn market rate interest and add money? Yep.
I'll probably be going now.
Me too. I must be late for
I've
something.
got to find a meeting. Manufacturers, the bank where business banks. For a brochure, call 1-800-642-9910. Member FDIC. Penalty for early withdrawal, but substantial reward for additional deposits.
Appealing to the young, active consumer, the American Dairy Association uses fast-paced music to emphasize the fact that milk is for the active and helps keep you active.
Gotta get things done. The time for my run. Stay at work too late. Can't lift those weights. All I do is sit, but I wanna stay fit. So pour me a glass of milk. I'm on a health kick, baby. Milk's my pick. I'm on a health kick, baby. Milk does the trick. I'm on a health kick, baby. Across the USA. I'm on a health kick, baby. Drinking milk today. Milk's got vitamins. Milk's got calcium. Milk's got protein too. Get on a health kick, baby. Soda pop won't do. Get on a health kick, baby. Oh, milk's the one for you. Get on a health kick, baby. Across the USA. America's favorite health kick milk.
Sponsored by America's Dairy Farmers, American Dairy Association.
More and more, housing must provide not only a nice place to live, but a location convenient to your place of work. Most commuters can relate to the hassle of the morning rush. So here, the advertiser zeroes in on the experience of commuting and offers a solution.
Ah, here you are again, enjoying one of the most interesting, entertaining, and culturally diverse moments of your busy day. Commuting. Yes, it's that time when you and a few 100,000 of your closest friends get together to share valuable experiences, like sharpening your skills in verbal and nonverbal communication, practicing new techniques from the Minnesota School of Defensive Driving, and discovering the location of every pothole on Highway 12, 494, the Crosstown, Highway 100, 18, 35 East, and West. This cheerful message is brought to you by your friends at Marquette Place, conveniently located in downtown Minneapolis. Marquette Place, elegant apartments where people who get to work the same time you do are still in their beds, sound asleep. Have a nice drive.
Car dealers suffer from credibility problems with great promises that never pan out. Oftentimes, consumers are presented with one price only to find little add-ons to the sticker. Rather than telling you what his dealership will give you, Valley Olds tells you what you won't get.
Jim Paul of Valley Olds Pontiac GMC wants you to know some things you won't get at his dealership. For one thing, you won't get a curious charge for something called dealer prep.
You know what that is? That's like a grocer charging you for taking the cans out of the box and putting them on the shelf.
You won't find yourself talking to a salesperson, agreeing on a price, and suddenly ending up in a closer's office who wants more money.
That's just an old-time psychological sales gambit, and I think it's insulting to a customer's intelligence.
And you won't find a separate price sticker of several $100s for things the dealer decided you needed, like rust-proofing, paint sealant, fabric protector.
If people want those things, fine. But we think one price sticker on the car is enough.
If you're finding these things at a car dealership, come find us. It's easy. We're in Apple Valley, 8 miles south of the Met Center on Cedar Avenue. Jim Paul's Valley Olds Pontiac GMC. A car dealer for the times.
TV news often suffers from the image of being shallow. What's worse, their 11 o'clock updates are usually a rehash of the 6 p.m. broadcast. So what's the point in watching? Well, WCCO-TV offers their viewers something different, something new. This effective commercial is done with just one voice and repetitious music in the background to present the point that other stations do little more than repeat their 6 o'clock news at 11 p.m.
When you watch the news at 10 p.m., you don't just want to hear stories you already know about, repeated over and over again. That's why at WCCO Television, we're committed to giving you a 10 p.m. newscast that looks and sounds different. With our new 4-Dimension News, we'll go beyond the headlines every night to give you new perspectives, added insights, information you haven't heard. And if we can't tell you something you don't already know, we'll move on to something new. Watch WCCO Television at 10 for the new 4-Dimension News and go beyond the headlines.
Fast, upbeat music helps this spot for the barbers. It indicates that they can create your personal look. And who doesn't want to stand out from the crowd?
You want to feel good. You want to look just right. We've got the answer. We've got the look to fit your life. We've got it. We've got the look for you. Oh!
The Barbers. For more than a haircut, more than a color, or a perm. The Barbers. For a look. A look specific to you, your style, your best features. The Barbers, trained to make it all come together. You can get your hair done anywhere, but if you want a look that gets looks, the possibilities narrow to the Barbers. Expect style as personal as your signature.
We've got it. We've got the look for you. Ow!
How do you keep a listener's attention for an ad for the gas company? Sounds dull as dishwater, right? Well, not when you add the right creative elements and produce the spot in such a way that it doesn't take itself too seriously.
In Southern California, there's a way to keep your natural gas consumption down.
Third floor, new energy-efficient gas appliances.
Ooh. Going down?
My gas bill is.
My new water heater saved me a bundle. What's that up in the sky?
It's a bird. It's a plane.
No, it's a new energy-efficient gas appliance.
Our new gas furnace cut our heating bill down.
Lower?
Yes, lower.
Duck!
The new gas range we bought doesn't even need a pilot.
We're coming down. Roger. Dive! Dive!
We replaced our old dryer with a new energy-efficient one.
And boy, do we save money now.
That's 10, 20, 30, 40, 50.
Natural gas is still a lot more economical than... And new efficient gas appliances
can save you even more energy and money.
Hey, keep it down.
That's the idea.
Oh.
The Southern California Gas Company, serving you with the right kind of energy.
And that's Sounds of Success for July 1988. Send us your very best radio commercials on a reel, please, to the Radio Advertising Bureau,